Hi, everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Today, I'm going to share Ramadan special Keema Aloo rolls recipe. Oil 2 teaspoon. Onion 1 cup. Salt to taste. Stir and fry few seconds. Ginger and garlic paste 2 tablespoons. Saute 1 minute. Turmeric powder 1/2 teaspoon. Chili powder 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Garam masala 1/2 teaspoon. Tomato 1 large. Green chili 2 teaspoon. Stir and mix. Cook 2 minutes. Beef keema 500 grams. Mix. Cover and cook 15 minutes. Check in between. Boiled potato 2 large. Mashed with hand. Mix well. Cook 2 minutes. Coriander leaf 2 tablespoons. Mix. Done. Water 2 cup. Salt to taste. Butter 2 tablespoons. Bring it to boil. All-purpose flour 2 cup. Stir continuously. Flame off. Cover for 10 minutes. Kneading the dough very well. Perfect. Take amount of dough. Make a roti. Not too thick or not too thin. Cooked beef as required. Roll up. All done. Egg wash. Bread crumbs. Deep with egg wash. Coat with breadcrumbs. Done. Can be frozen up to month. Fry until golden brown and crispy. Flip. Flip over. Done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.